Here's how you can auto-lock iPad after a certain time. So let me guide you through it. If you are first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Actually, two ways to make it work. The first one is the basic when you go to these settings and check out the display and brightness, where you have the auto-lock and essentially 4 or 5 options you have available so you can make the iPad lock itself after 2, 5, 10, or 15 minutes. But there is also the never option, which makes sure that the iPad screen stays on indefinitely until the battery runs out, basically. So this is the first place, and it's pretty self-explanatory and simple. Outside of that, you also have the ability to set up a shortcut, because if you go to the Siri Shortcuts app and start a new one, you can find a shortcut which will literally just lock the screen, right? So you can look up from the actions, the lock, right? And it will basically lock the screen of this device. So you can turn it on and set this to be the shortcut, right? But if we want this to be triggered automatically or at some specific time, we have to attach it to an automation. So the point is that we not only create a shortcut, but we also create an automation like this and choose that, for example, at that time of the day, that shortcut of locking the screen is going to be run. Or for example, when the alarm goes off, or when you receive a message, or I don't know, something else when you hit a certain battery percentage level. So plenty of ways to trigger it, but let's say I'm going to pick time of the day. I'm going to choose that particular time, click on next, and choose the shortcut to be the locking screen. So at that time of the day, the screen will be locked, right? So it is like a specific use case, right? So it's something that you might want to have, set up on your device. Perhaps you don't want to use it every day, but sometimes it might actually make sense. So I hope I was able to show you how it works. If you're new here on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community and subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one.